Hi guys! Today we are going to learn how to join the yarn, especially with soft yarns like mohair. It hides things a little. Also, when this pattern calls for 6mm needles with 2 strands of mohair for the main body, joining yarn can't be more straightforward. But this circumstance also makes tension harder to control, which the yarn tail knitted through the fabric has looser tension than the new yarn. In this case, when you finish the garment and block, it will pretty magically hide the joined spot. Of course, this method can be implemented to any types of yarn and needle size. We are going to start with 10 to 15 centimeters of the yarn tail left. The basics are working the previous yarn and the new yarn incorporated into the stitch. We are going to work 2 to 3 stitches with the new yarn and the old yarn together. Then drop the old yarn and keep working with the new yarn. On the next row, when we come back to the stitch where we dropped the old yarn tail, we are going to pick up the old yarn again and knit through the stitches with the new yarn once again. This way, the yarn tail gets hidden and worked in the opposite direction, which makes it secure from unraveling.